Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use VPN on PS5. So let's start. You can use the VPN connected by Windows PC. How you can do it? Get and install Surfshark VPN for PC, connect your PlayStation to PC with Internet cable, configure the Internet connection on your PC and connect your preferred server location in VPN app. Configure your console. Go to Settings, select Network Settings, choose the Setup Network Connection, and on PS4 select Use a LAN cable and set the connection method Easy. If prompt, select Don't use a proxy servers. On PS5 choose Setup WLAN and hit Connect and you're done. If you want to get a VPN service, I recommend you the NordVPN. It's the best service online security. If you use NordVPN, guys, you can unlock shows from anywhere. You can use VPN from anywhere. You can use games anywhere safely. And with our partner link in the description below, you'll get a special discount. The link is always down there, so check it out. Plus this, you will get the 30-day money-back warranty. What means that if you don't like the service and if you don't like how it works NordVPN, the money return to your account. So also in the principal page, you can check the features that offer you NordVPN. Now, if you want to register, just click here on the link below, and when you register, just log in the account. You have to write your email address and then just continue and write your password as well and just log in. When you do it, you will transfer to the principal account on your NordVPN and go to the left side and you will find here the menu. Just click on NordVPN, then scroll down and let's go to manual setup, set up a VPN, and you can choose here the country. You can select whatever country you prefer. If you prefer, for example, United States, you can here select United States and you can select a VPN. You can find a base of VPN for United States. Select the one you prefer, then click on Get Setup Configuration, and that's it, guys. Now you can use the NordVPN on your account. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.